Trump signs deal to end longest U.S. government shutdown in history. President Donald Trump signed legislation on Wednesday to end the longest government shutdown in U.S. history, a 43-day stoppage that had halted pay for hundreds of thousands of federal employees, disrupted food assistance, and strained the nation's air traffic control system. The House, controlled by Republicans, approved the funding package 222 to 209, with Trump's backing helping to hold the party together despite strong Democratic opposition. Democrats were frustrated that weeks of standoff failed to secure an agreement to extend federal health insurance subsidies. Trump's approval of the bill, which had passed the Senate earlier, allows federal employees to return to work as soon as Thursday, though the full restoration of government operations remains uncertain. The deal funds the government through January 30th, keeping the U.S. on track to add about $1.8 trillion annually to its $38 trillion debt. Trump criticized Democrats at the signing, saying the nation must avoid such shutdowns in the future. The shutdown's end provides relief ahead of the busy Thanksgiving travel season and restores vital economic data flows that had left investors and policymakers in the dark about employment, inflation, and consumer spending. However, the White House warned that some October economic reports, including jobs and CPI data, may never be released. Economists estimate the shutdown shaved over 1/10 of a percentage point from GDP each week, though most of the loss is expected to be recovered. Despite recent Democratic election wins, House Speaker Mike Johnson made no commitment to extending health insurance subsidies. Democrat Mikey Sherrill, soon to leave Congress, urged lawmakers not to let the administration strip food aid and healthcare from Americans. A Reuters Ipsos poll showed no clear political winner. 50% of Americans blamed Republicans for the shutdown, while 47% blamed Democrats. As the House returned from its long recess, pressure grew over releasing unclassified records related to Jeffrey Epstein. A new funding provision also allows 8 Republican senators to seek damages for alleged privacy violations tied to the Justice Department's investigation of the January 6 Capitol attack.